how to backup data to USB drive on your Samsung phone. So first, let's connect the USB drive to your device. So here I have an adapter. So we're going to connect the adapter to your Samsung phone. Then connect the USB drive to the Samsung phone, like so. Okay, and then after that, we swipe down on the Samsung phone and tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. In here, we're going to choose external storage transfer. And then tap on USB storage. After that, you can choose what to backup. So you can choose to backup everything, or you can backup just calls, contacts, and messages, or custom. So you select custom and tap on next. In here, you can select which items you want to backup. Now for ease of demonstration, I will not backup everything. Let's just say I want to backup messages and calls. So you select the items that you want to backup. Then we scroll down and tap on the backup button. Then tap on OK. And it is now backing up to the USB drive. So we wait for that to finish. Okay, so now it's done. We can tap on next and tap on done. And that's it. And later on, if you need to restore, you can tap on external storage transfer and go to the restore section, and then you can choose what you want to restore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.